Marriage.
Some urgency is there, my lord. That is the reason why, my lord, he is in custody.
ಆಯ್ತು, Monday or Tuesday.
Old man, my lord, ex-MLA is in custody, my lord.
Sir, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
In fact, my lord,
It's only allegation, my lord.
ಇಲ್ಲ,
It's not that, my lord. he has
ಏನ್ allegation?
No,
ನಾನೇ
my lord.
ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Not so, my lord. I'm only,
fact,
my lord,
I can
at
show
the
your
best, my
lordship.
lord.
ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ?
No, in fact,
My lord, they have arrested after lapse of 2.5 years.
As
Not that, my lord,
as you
immediately a fresh crime
as
has
you
been
sow,
registered,
so you reap,
something
sir.
has been recovered. Nothing has happened in this case.
As you sow, so you reap.
no, in fact, for just one document, two documents, my lord, your lordship, you see how the
Government
petition is
land ಸುಮ್ನೆ
conducted.
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Those
ಏನ್
are all-
acres together
those are all,
sold
my
to
lord,
people who are
appealable.
not even eligible?
Even assistant commissioner could challenge that and file appeal, my lord. Not that, my lord.
ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you are
Not that, my lord. They can challenge it, my lord. They have not challenged it, my lord.
yeah,
Even
I have
with
written that.
Ashit-
I have written that 482, sir. I know what has happened in that. I have gone through the entire file in that. ಯಾರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಬಗೈರ್ ಹುಕುಂ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಬಗೈರ್ ಕಾನೂನು ಅಂತ.
My lord, nothing is, my lord, recovered or no allegation of that corruption or anything. He has only, there is no allegation of taking some favoritism or any, my lord, money has been
You
seized. or-
bartered away government land.
No, that, my lord,
That's not allegation of
exercising
corruption.
discretion, my lord, given to a
Discretion
committee. Yes,
of
my lord.
bartering away
If it
government
is
land.
wrong, there is appeal mechanism also. Lord, now it is matter for investigation or at the best trial if they file charge
ಏನು
sheet.
ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Some wherever is convenient, lordship, you see wherever is convenient, the flag ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ACA has sent, my lord, report long back. No action has been taken by the state. Now only
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಎರಡು
we
ವರ್ಷ
have
ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ arrest
hauled
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
everybody. I have not singled out anybody and said you go against him.
everybody got anticipatory bail, my lord. Only
No,
this
not
petitioner
everybody.
and
There are other
subsequently
charges
few
also.
are arrested.
In fact, today only the two more petitions are there, my lord, where they're in custody. 3 kilometers within the range of 3 kilometers. It's not that he do not know. He knows. He rejects it.
He
for
is
some-
from that place only.
He rejects it. No, the question is whether I can grant a land up to 3 kilometers. For some, he rejects it, saying that within the 3 kilometers, therefore you are not eligible. For some, he
Grants it.
grants it.
He is the chairman of the committee.
Forest land, revenue
Don't
land.
have any extra power, my lord.
Extra power.
My lord, he is
Forest
one
land,
among the
forest
members.
land, government land ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
My lord, whatever, my lord.
Whatever, that's what
Not
is
like
there.
that, my lord. The revenue inspector, they
No, ನಾನು ಇದು
village accountant,
ನಾನು
they
ಇದು
will
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
place a report before the
ಯಾಕೆ
Tahsildar.
ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ
Tahsildar
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
once recommends, my lord,
No,
then
no,
only he can grant.
ಅರುಣ್ ಶ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸರ್,
Yes.
ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ, ನೀವು ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that has to be proved, my lord, after filing of the charge sheet and
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
trial.
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
I am only accused, my lord. It is not
Correct. I am not saying you are convicted.
Yes, that's what, my
Yes.
lord. It amounts to conviction. Otherwise,
What amounts to conviction?
he is at the
Investigation ಮಾಡೋದು is conviction ನಾ?
best, under trial prisoner, my lord. At the best, my lord, he can.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ಅದು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಗರ್ ಹುಕುಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಹಾಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ may not say, my lord.
Prima facie opinion is that, sir.
That is important, my lord. Prima facie.
ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲ prima facie. Am I passing an order of conviction here?
Reason why, my
That
lord.
basic thing you
Still
must
it is-
know, sir. I am answering 482 or a bail petition. It is only prima facie.
That's what.
I am not passing orders of conviction here.
But it will go, my lord, in a different way in public domain. That, my lord, the
Public domain different way ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
my lord, the live streaming is there, my lord. That is why it will go viral.
ಆ ತರ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡಿ.
Not that, my lord. But the matter is under investigation. Is a matter.
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ನಾವು ಬೇಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು. ಏನ್ ಪ್ರೈಮಾ ಫೇಸಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
After lapse of 2 years, my lord, all of a sudden this CID goes and arrests him.
That will see.
This is also a matter to be considered.
ಈಗ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮುಗ್ದಿದ್ಯಾ?
No, investigation is ongoing, my lord. There are various other documents.
In the pending
No,
case.
there one, your lordship may recall, my lord, the conduct of the petitioner itself. Your lordship may recall, my lord. The grounds of arrest, the contention raised, the grounds of arrest has not been served. And
tampered.
And the acknowledgement, he himself put 5 days later.
No. That
document
is
is supposed to sign on 19th.
Ultimately, they have
He
put
signed-
Whitener is important.
No, Whitener we have put it. We signed it
But
as
2
26.
pages. My lord, he serves copy to 3 different
And
people, my lord. 3
if
different
the
grounds
per-
of arrest.
If the person can tamper this document when we produce him before the magistrate, this document, my lord, speaks volume.
My lord, your lordship may 1 hour whether we decide this matter, my lord, because
ಹೌದು,
since he is-
1 hour other way decide ಮಾಡೋದು.
my lord, my
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
request, I am not, my lord, because
We
otherwise,
will
my lord,
decide it 1 or the other way. Yes, ಯಾವ?
Next week.
So I'll take it on Wednesday.
please, very well. Great. My request for fresh matters.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಶ್. ಬೇಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್. Yes.
Till number 9. Lord, this is a matter where trial is in progress. Lord, this is
Allah,
not nothing to
one
do with,
ನಿಮಿಷ.
please.
ಯೋಗೇಶ್ ಸರ್, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಾಚೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು he's
ಇದು
asking for
ಅದಲ್ಲ
something else.
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. This
Not
is
same.
ಯಾವ್ದು?
this is another matter
You want
of
to expunge.
another crime where trial is in progress.
ಅದೇ 354 ತಾನೆ.
Adalla. That is in item number 76. This matter pertains to where a digital device has been introduced through the witnesses. This is one pen drive what they have introduced marked as exhibit P23. My lord, this is a subsequent copies which is being created by the investigating agency. Because now what pen drive exhibit P23 is apparently a pen drive which has been generated in the FSL. Now that pen drive is introduced through the witnesses who are not the author, who are not the persons who have witnessed the data have been transferred. All that I may one request, my main prayer would be subject to its admissibility, my objections, keeping open those objections, this could have been, because in fact I am not even pressing for stay.
So what?
If you are
We
on
will
the kindly-
direct his objections to be considered prior to marking of these documents.
No, it is
So
in
your
fact
lordship-
marked.
Your lordship can
Then
say,
your objection, let him file his objections.
It is been,
subject to objection at the time of final
please,
hearing.
that
At the
is the
appropriate
position
time,
of law.
we'll
That is
dispose it
please,
on.
that is the position of law. The court has
Correct.
overruled it
That-
and it has
see,
been marked.
that is the position of law, correct. You can't mark something without
Please.
the author being examined.
And even all the objections, my lord, is at the final hearing. Subject to objection should have been.
The petitioner is before the court. Petitioner accused number 2 in special CC 1586 of 2025 is before the court seeking the following prayer. The learned counsel Arun would vehemently contend that the concerned court overruling the objections of the petitioner of marking of certain electronic evidence, i.e. a pen drive, which is not marked through the competent witnesses, has permitted marking of the same. Since the marking is already done, the only relief that the petitioner can seek, even according to him, is that the objections that he would file to the said act of the court marking the electronic evidence not through the author but in general should be considered at the relevant point in time. The learned SPP.
Special P.
Oh, special PP. Learned special public prosecutor would not have any objection to the observation of this court while disposing the petition that the objections that is hakidra haktira.
Hakide. In fact,
The
it is
objections that are filed or to be filed to the act of the
Not objection. Your lordship may clarify and say, his objection will be considered at the time of final hearing.
the objections that are already filed to the marking of the electronic evidence not through the authors should be considered at the relevant point in time
In fact,
prior to.
my objections, the findings on the objections should be kept open. That's all.
Objections should be considered, one ನಿಮಿಷ. Objection should be considered at the relevant point in time, notwithstanding the finding rendered in the impugned order qua those objections. The aforesaid observation directing the court to bear in mind the aforesaid observation while passing the order, petition stands disposed. ನಾನಿದ ಬೇಲ್ದ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ.
That is a
ಬೇಲ್ದ ಒಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದು
76.
ಇದೆಯಾ ಇವತ್ತು? ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು.
For 10,
ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ್ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಬೇಲ
No,
ದೆನ್
Lords, this is, my lords, pardon was granted to the respondent.
ವಿನಯ್ ಕುಲಕರ್ಣಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾ?
Please, my lords, pardon was granted to the respondent.
Ah.
Respondent was initially accused number 17.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Lords, pardon was granted to accused number 17.
ಹಾ
Lords, thereafter he was examined as PW 9.
ಹಾ
Lords, he would rescind from the conditions on full and true disclosure. Therefore, certificate of the prosecutor was issued and, my lords, proceedings under 308 CRPC are initiated. Lords, but the precondition to initiate 308 proceedings, your lordship may kindly see 308 for a moment, is that I would have to obtain the permission of the superior court to which the court has passed. Therefore, my lords, I have approached this court to obtain sanction, which is a precondition under 308. Lordship may kindly see 308.
CRPC?
Please, my lords. May I, my lords?
Not complying. Sanction to prosecute alva.
Please. The lordship may find the third provision, my lords, provided for the,
But the response must be heard.
please, my lords, I'm only on the issue of making out a case for notice.
The petitioner shall serve on the counsel who represented the respondent in the trial in special CC 565 of 2021 and file an acknowledgement of such service. List on 20th.
Great.
Yes.
Film 11.
Here for petitioner counsel. This is a matter where, my lord, the notice was served, my lord, on the petitioner.
Ah,
353 clause 2, my lord.
ಗೊತ್ತು sir. Last time I not to take courses.
Your lordship may see the, I undertook to produce the conversation which happened when we went to serve a notice. Your lordship may see, my lordship.
One copy. Lion conversation ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
Right? Altercation.
This is the
Verbal
issue.
altercation.
The issue, when police officer goes for a serving, you take it, you challenge it, and you can't be making them to stand there and then.
Issue is this, my lord.
No, issue, we will
They
answer the
came
issue,
to
my lord,
serve
but
notice without serving copy of the FIR.
it's there,
My lord,
it's there.
it is my
Copy
right
is also
as
given.
everybody.
Correct. FIR is your right.
They have not served, my lord,
FIR.
FIR. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಬಂದು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ನಾಳೆ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು
In fact,
ಟೋಟಲಿ, my lord.
in fact, the conversation itself is.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 149/2026 ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವೇ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಾಪಿ.
FIR ನು
ಕಾಪಿ
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
FIR ಕಾಪಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು.
No, my lord.
I don't think police are that either to not to get FIR copy to serve to you.
No, my lord. They have not served.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಇದು FIR ಅಂತಾನೂ ಇದೆ.
Second time when they came, my lord, they came with FIR. Two incidents
It's
happened.
second time or first time?
ಇದು probably second time ಇರ್ಬೋದು.
Probably. ನಿಮ್ probabilities ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Put it right now, my lord.
ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ.
But my lord, the issue is they have went to serve notice, my lord, without.
ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ 7th ಇದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇದೊಂದು ಮೆಮೋ
I'll
ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
tell you. Week after that.
My lord, then
The
let
protective
them
order.
not file charge sheet, my lord.
The protective order, don't worry, you are before the court. The protective order granted earlier stands extended to the next date of hearing. Yes.
They will, my lord, file charge sheet otherwise.
ಏನ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಚರ್ಸನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು
ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ charge sheet challenge ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ.
Sanction
ಮಾಡಿ.
ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, sanction ಬೇಕು. It is not that the charge sheet can be filed in one.
No,
day.
in lightning speed they have,
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಇದೆ ತುಂಬಾ.
in lightning speed they have filed charge sheet in this kind of cases, my lord. This is a politically motivated case. That is the reason why I am, my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲ
requesting.
ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲಿ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟೆಡ್. ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು?
Lord, this is a protest by, my lord, woman wing of political party, my lord. The allegation is that, my lord, they have protested and, my lord, they have,
ಮೆನ್ನು ಇದಾರೆ.
ಅವರು,
ಮತ್ತೆ ವುಮನ್ ವಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ?
but it was
ಪುಟ್ಟರಾಜು,
led
ಆನಂದಪ್ಪ.
by woman, my lord, and allegation against woman only, my lord.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಿ?
Supporting, back end support.
Oh, women don't need your support, sir. They are enough for themselves.
Well, allegation, my lord, protested, my lord.
That misconception ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ. Women need men's support ಅಂತ.
No.
Yes.
It is not that back end support can be given to anybody, my lord. I am not saying they are not incapable
Backhand
or-
support.
Yes, my lord. Not that, my lord, they led the protest.
What do you mean by
It was
backhand?
organized, led by the women.
Backhand support ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
Well, my lord, only support ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Moral support rather. I guess.
That's correct. Moral support.
Petition number 1 is an MLC.
ಏನು ಇವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸಾರಿ, ಮಾರಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ.
Page number 19, my lord.
And it was, my lord, protest was done in the presence of the police. Police did not register any suo moto case. It is only after 5 or 6 hours, some third person.
ಇದರ ಲೈನ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Secure the records, my lord. This I have-
You should secure the poster also.
Posters will be interesting.
ಇರತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಇರತ್ತೆ. We'll secure them.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್. ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಏನೋ ಬಾರಿ ಬೈದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ.
Protest, my lord.
ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, come to page 19. This is not the way. ಹಾ?
ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ?
ಉತ್ತರ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ.
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್,
My lord,
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್. ಆ ಭಾಷೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
that is the language, my lord, normally is in use, my lord, at that region. Not that, my lord, it's a kind of slang, my lord, I can say.
Slang. Yes.
Only, my lord, women, their interest may be protected, my lord. And there is nothing, my lord, to recover or anything.
Secure the records next week.
Because the learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the respondent, secure the records to substantiate the allegations made against these petitioners as to whether it could become the ingredients of the offences so laid. List the matter on 7th. ಈಗ urgency ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
Since all, my lord, the ladies are there, my lord, there.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗೇನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Be calling, my lord, to the police station.
ಲೇಡೀಸ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಸರ್?
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. They are
Don't call ladies to the police station. Yes, he will not. 7th.
some protection.
ಕರೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವರು.
ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ? They may pick and choose anybody, and then they implicate.
SPP is saying they will not.
If required,
SPP is saying they will not. Don't worry. ಆ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೀವು ಕರೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ ಅಂತ.
200 ಜನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ
ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
16 ಜನ.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇತರರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ವಕಾಲತ್ ಇತರರಿಗೆ?
ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ?
ಮತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ.